In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install TikTok on your Android phone. So, let's jump right into it. First, make sure your phone is connected to the internet, either through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Once you're connected, open the Google Play Store on your device. You can usually find it on your home screen, or you can swipe up to open your app drawer and search for the Play Store. After opening the Play Store, make sure you're signed into a Google account. You'll need a Google account to download apps. If you're not signed in, you can either log into an existing account or create a new one for free. Now, once you're inside the Play Store, you may see TikTok recommended on the main page. If you don't see it, simply tap on the search bar at the top and type in TikTok. When the search results appear, make sure you select the official TikTok app. You can verify it by checking the number of reviews and downloads. The official app currently has millions of reviews, so make sure you're choosing the correct one. Once you've found the right TikTok app, tap on the Install button. The Play Store will automatically begin downloading and installing the app. The time it takes will depend on your internet speed, but in most cases, it should only take a few seconds to a minute. You can track the download progress right here. After the download finishes, the installation process will begin automatically. Once it's fully installed, you'll see the option to open TikTok. If you exit the Play Store, you can also find the TikTok app by opening your app drawer and scrolling through your installed apps. As you can see, TikTok is now available on my phone. You can open the app, sign in with your account, create a new account, or start watching videos right away. And that's how you can easily download and install TikTok on an Android phone. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for